गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट मस्ट बी audit committee. Audit committee shall assist the board of directors in the other side of. First one is the integrity of the financial statements of the company and the effectiveness of the internal control over financial reporting and the dependent in registered public recording firms qualifications and independence. The performance of the companies and internal audit functions and independent registered public accounting firms. The performance of companies and compliance functions. Organization and memberships. The committee shall be appointed by the board and consist of at 3 directors, and each of whom are independent of management. And the company, as defined by the bylaw of the companies New York Exchange, as well as clause 49 the listing agreement, and 2/3 of the members shall be independent directors. All committee and members shall be financially literate or shall become financial and literate within the responsible period of time after appointment to the committee, and the committee shall aspire to have at least one member and who is an audit committee financial expert, as such as term is defined by SEC. Audit committee the audit committee shall meet at least thrice a year. One meeting shall be held before financialization of annual accounts, and one every 6 months. And the quorum shall be either 2 members or 3 members of audit committee, and whichever is higher, and minimum of 2 independent director. Power and audit committee to investigate any activity within its terms of the reference, and to seek information from any employees, and to obtain outside legal or other professional advice, and to secure attendance of outsider with relevant enterprise and considered necessary. It is if it is considers necessary. And rule of the audit committee. Any change in accounting policies and practice and qualifications is draft and audit report. The going and concern assumptions and compliance with accounting standards. Compliance with stock exchange and legal requirements concerning financial statements. Any related party transactions, and review the management and external and internal authors, the accuracy of internal control system, review of informations by audit committee, financial statements and draft audit report and half yearly financial informations. Next, management discuss an analysis of financial conditions and results of operations, records of related party transactions, and the appointment, removal, and terms of chief internal authors and shall be subject to review by the audit committee, and reports relating to compliance and with laws and to risk management. Thank you.